Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Olynvolt Pocket Wireless Portable and Rechargeable TENS Unit and Muscle Stimulator. Revolutionary professional pain management, immediate precise body relief, enjoy relaxation anywhere at any time because it is portable. 6 different modes can be changed in different body parts. Effective and safe intensity levels for different kind of pain. Strong pain can be increased the level to see faster results. Can also lower the level before going to bed. Can be easily applied directly to most parts of the body. Will leave your pain part feeling a sense of relief nearly instantly. For legs, neck, shoulders, arms, back, waist. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Nothing else at the box. Type A to Type C cable about 30 centimeters to charge this unit. Oh, and it is so small. I like that. Olynvolt Type-C connection. Yep, it is small. You can carry it in your pocket. One charging case, only 100 grams, smaller and lighter than your phone, with up to 27 hours of continuous use. Nice, I like the shape. It can fit to your bag. You can have it with you when you are traveling, at your vacation, anywhere, because it is portable. You don't need electricity. You can charge it with a power bank. Nice case. It opens and closes smoothly. Let's see inside what accessories we have. I like the case. We can see the contact metal blades are coming in contact and charging these two units. It has 450 mAh battery, the charging case, and 60 mAh each of these hosts. The two massage pads included at the box. You need to remove that and apply to yourself, and then connect this here. Magnets, I like that. So cool. You don't have any cables around you. Nothing, no cables. It is total 100% portable unit. And here we can see some of the buttons. We have the on-off switch. Press once and it turns on. We can see a light orange LED is flashing. We have the strength decreasing and strength increasing. And the mode key. This is the M. You can choose TENS, can send electrical pulse across the skin's surface to the nerve endings of sore areas, providing fast pain relief. Or you can go at EMS, can make continuous and gentle stimulation to help with muscle toning and firmness, endurance improvement and lower recovery time between workouts. And of course it is so easy to charge this device. Install the pads inside. Two contact blades needs to come in contact here. 2 sound for each host. Close. Let's charge it from a power bank. And we have 4 LED lights. First 25%, the second it is 50%, the third 75%, and fully charged 100% the fourth LED light. I like it. Now let's test it on my arm. Disconnect from the power bank. First I need to remove this and place it here, and one of these. So easy, it locks so fast. Okay, let's turn it on with one press of a button, LED light. First mode, pounding mode. We have the increasing degreasing button. Second level, third level, fourth level. Oh, I like it. 16 levels, it is the maximum. I can feel my hand is vibrating. Let's increase more. Oh, I think on 4 level I am okay. It feels nice. Next, it is the kneading mode. Second, third level. Oh, I like it. It gives you a push. 5 level. Oh, I think I am okay on 5 level. Next, intelligent mode. Second, third level. 4, 5. Oh, nice. It gives you a nice sensation, nice feeling. Soothing mode, the 4 mode. 2, 3, 4 level. I think I am okay on 4 to 5 level. Of course it depends where you will use this. If that is your arm, back, legs, maybe at your back you need a higher level. Scrapping mode. Second, third, fourth level. Let's increase more. 5, 6. Oh, too much. 4 level it is okay. Oh, nice. Scrapping. Now it gives me a push. Oh, decrease. Level 3 it is okay. Wow, it feels nice. Wow. Stimulating my muscles. Definitely it gives me a nice sensation, nice feeling. And the last mode, press mode, we can hear twice the beep. That means we are in the last mode. Second, third, fourth level. Nice. I like it. It is amazing. Portable, no cables. You can have it anywhere. Just charge it and definitely it will last long enough. Wow, nice feeling, I like it. And with one push of a button, it turns off. Very easy to remove. And of course you can install it at your legs. With one press of a button, activate. Choose the mode. I will choose the third mode, intelligent, and increasing on third level. Wow, I like it. Let's go 4 level. Oh, the feeling is amazing. You can see how my muscles are moving on my legs. I'm very calm, I'm very steady, and we can see how it's moving. If I'm going to increase more, it feels nice, without a doubt. And you can use it on any activities, fitness or hanging out with friends. Even no need to carry a charging case. The host and pads can be easily attached to your body parts to relieve your pain anytime, anywhere. In restaurants, you can also put the pads on your calves to relieve muscle pain while dining and enjoy a meal with friends. Before going to bed, you can use the device to massage 15 minutes to relax the pressure and helps you sleep deeply. In any place and any time can be used, such as waiting for a long time, take out the device from the bag. It is so convenient as a Bluetooth handset. You can carry it with you, open it and put the patch on your shoulder. Adjust the intensity after getting in the car and relieve stress. Running for an hour, soreness in the leg muscles, put the patch on the muscle, gradually relieve pain and restore muscle strength. When I came home, seeing a family member carry heavy objects caused back pain and use the device to help them relieve the pain in their back nerves. It is so pleasant. I have enjoyed any moment using it at my home or work, and in the end I am feeling a huge relief on my body parts. On my arms, wrist, legs and back. More frequent use for me it is the wrist and the back because I am sitting on the chair in front of my computer and helps me a lot to relax my wrist. Definitely it gives me a good feeling of relaxation, helps me move on at the day. Well, my viewers, if you want to find out more about this product, you can check down below the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information and where you can buy it. It is a great wireless portable and rechargeable TENS unit and muscle stimulation. I like it a lot. Definitely I have enjoyed any moment. Until my next video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.